you know, ladies, as we age, there are lots of things that fade, okay? One of them may be your lips, the natural color of your lips. They just fade as we get older. But there is a way to make them pop again, to make them stand out with permanent makeup. I'm with Michele Q of Michele Q Permanent Makeup, formerly Sally Hayes. She took over for Sally Hayes. So Michele, a lot of women come in to see you, and that's just what happens. Our lip color blends into our face. How do you help women pick the right color so it's not overdone?
Well, again, I judge by their lip color. So you come in with blue lips, purple lips, just in your tissue, maybe that lush baby pink fleshy tone. We all have a different tone in our lip tissue. So that helps me determine you already have darker lips or you have naturally lighter lips. So then I'm going to add in the cool or the warm tones.
Gotcha. Okay, so that's really what it's based on, is skin tone, right?
Yes.
One of the things that Sally always used to say is, look at the tip of your finger.
Yep, put your color on the tips of your finger versus like on the back of your hand. And when women do that, they'll get a different hue, I guess, a different tone in the lipstick. It'll look very different here because it has the same vascularity as your lip tissue.
Gotcha. Okay, so you might come in and think, you know what, I want to do my lips, but sometimes you've seen a lot of women who have not had permanent makeup done right. First of all, if I came in and said to you, Michele, I want you to do just my lip liner, would you do it?
No.
Why?
Because you're not going to get the same effect. You're just going to have lined lips, and then the whole purpose is you want to wake up every morning and not have to put on lipstick or lip gloss.
Right.
So you want to have some blushing in your lips.
So if you do lips, you do the entire lip.
I do the entire lip.
Okay, so like I said, a lot of people come in and ask you to fix things. This client here was one of them. Let's take a look at her before. When she walked in the door to see you, her lips were white.
Yes, as you can see in this first photo, this is after her first application, and you can see along her vermilion line she has this white.
Why would somebody do that?
I think back in the day people wanted that creamy matte look.
Yeah.
And so what happens is then when I get really close to it, the color I put in her lips gets absorbed into the white. So it just keeps picking up and kind of sucking up that color.
I see. So and this is after. Now this is after 2 applications, right?
Correct. This is her second application.
And it's a little bit darker than it.
Yep, so she's getting more pigment in on the second application, so compensating for the lip color in her lip tissue. Now she's getting more color. The line is now less white. And so a couple more touch-ups and she eventually, hopefully we can get rid of that white, but the color will suck up.
And it's amazing how much fuller her lips look too, just by the way that you did the application.
Yes, so you can see the width of her lip here. I'm not changing it by putting filler in anyone's lip. By all means, I don't have that power, but just for the color alone, you can see it just kind of shows off her lip a little bit more.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's talk about how long lip color lasts, because we always say it's permanent makeup, but it's really not, because it does fade. So how many applications do you need? How much does it fade after the first application?
You lose about 50 to 60%.
Wow, okay, and then how long do you wait for the second application?
It's 3 weeks until you come in for that second application.
Okay, and then after the second application, how long do we get to enjoy our lips?
Depending on the lightest colors versus darker colors, you'll get about anywhere from 1 year to 2 years in the lip.
Really? Yeah. Okay, so it's kind of like the brows. You need a touch-up every once in a while.
Yes, you do. You need to refresh that color. A lot of women aren't protecting them from the sun with SPF as well, which will cause them to fade.
Right, okay. We still got to protect our skin, ladies, even though you make them pretty with permanent makeup. All right, good information. We just did a little Lips 101 there, didn't we? All right, good job. All right, and on top of this, Michele always has a special offer. Book lips, eyes, and brows, save $200. Michele Q Permanent Makeup, formerly Sally Hayes, is located inside Scottsdale Plastics, 9377 East Bell Road, Suite 367 in Scottsdale, 480-951-0539. The website, permanentmakeup.com.